Hey you guys, good morning. It's me, Katie, All Lost Ones here on YouTube. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing better. Woke up at 4 this morning though, so I've been up for like 2.5 hours because my cat woke me up. Obsidian is so adorable and she was purring and I wanted to just cuddle her, so I am up because of cats. Cats are life. I'm not mad at the cat, only a little mad. But not really like angry. It is Friday. Friday. I'm very excited about that. I love Friday. I love it. I think it's the best. What? Interesting.
Also, this is a good book.
Lily says this is a good book. She recommends it. She recommends that.
I want to read one of the bunnies' names.
Okay.
So it shows all the bunnies' names.
Okay. Read them the bunnies' names. You should sit down. It's weird that you're standing up.
So this is six bunnies.
Okay.
Top, flap, tap, flip, tip, flop.
I like those names.
There's Hickory, which is adorable. Mallow, which I feel like is the bunny equivalent to Rebecca. Clover, Kale, and Shallot.
I like that.
This book. Oh wait, this book.
Yeah. So that's cute.
This is Hickory. He's adorable.
Aw, Hickory. So, what are you guys' plans for the weekend?
Sleep.
Me too. I want to sleep. I want to watch Netflix, and or watch movies. It doesn't matter if it's on Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, whatever. I'm going to watch the shows.
Watch whatever this is, but the main character is British for some reason.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm tired. I was like sitting on the couch and I was like closed my eyes and I was falling asleep. And I was like, oh, you can't do that. You can't do that because you got to work today. You got to stay awake.
Yes.
Stay awake. But yeah, no, I am feeling tons better. Thank you guys for all your continued support in watching the videos that you don't watch. Boom.
Oh, I thought you said washing the videos that you don't wash. I was like,
You wash them like this. I don't know. But yeah, so I've been...
You've been yawning.
So somebody can make fun of my face. That's why I yawn.
Oh,
and I smile.
Gum?
What?
Gum.
Can I make gum?
No, can we get gum?
No, not right now. But this weekend, yeah, I can get gum. I thought you said, can we make it? Yeah, let me go in the kitchen and make some gum right now. I don't know how to make gum. I just know gum.
You do.
Nah, bro. I don't know how to do that.
It's on the shelf.
Fine.
I literally just checked my whole backpack. Unless it's secretly rolled up in a pencil, I don't have it.
You know, I think that teacher, and I'm going to say this on here. We're going to say this on here. I think that teacher's full of it.
She's lying.
She is full of it.
No, it's
she
rather
is full of it.
It's rather she didn't call my name, which I don't remember her doing, or I was too busy with whatever I was doing. So once I got the paper, I sat down next to my computer, and then it fell off. And
that could be possible.
During the whole thing, like, no students took it to her, and were like, "Hey, this is
anything
on the floor."
is possible, but I think it's more
away.
likely that she didn't call your name because I feel like that has happened before in other classes where people just forget about you.
No, wait, no.
Like that one, what is it called? Substitute teacher that just didn't call you and then said that you weren't there, and I was like, what?
There was one class that I had that the substitute didn't care what we did. It was like, oh, you have to use the bathroom, okay. And when I came back, and it took a little longer because I went to get water and everything, he didn't even ask. He was just like, okay. And Janelle went on a full walk around the whole school. So literally, I think if you just left the beginning of class, once he called roll and you left to go use the bathroom, you came back around like the last 15 minutes of class, he wouldn't have cared.
That's insane.
Because he didn't do anything.
It's because he's a jerk.
Because he said once you finish the paper, you can go on your computer and do like homework or whatever. That's always a thing that students never take seriously because they always just sit there and...
Yeah, well, that kids aren't going to do that. Anyway.
Middle schoolers aren't going to do that.
Life. But yeah, this weekend's going to basically be a lot of resting, relaxation, laziness, and mayhem. The mayhem will be when I'm awake, because that's terrifying.
It is. Trust me.
Look,
take it from me.
I'm a flying squirrel.
Like hickory.
I'm a squirrel. Ah, Kobe should get you.
Hi.
Ow.
Ow.
What is the comment code word?
I like how at first it was word of the day.
Now it's comment code word thing stuff. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Your
What is
breath
it?
smells weird.
Thanks.
The word is thanks.
Thanks. Jerk.
Hey, would you rather someone else tell you at work or me tell you now?
Yeah, I gotta go brush my teeth again. Cause coffee. Coffee, you guys. Coffee.
Draw a mustache.
Don't.
Drawing a
Get off of
mustache
them.
on them.
No. Bye, y'all. Love you. See you tomorrow. No.